Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Bill Stevens, and today we're going to talk about one of the most used Google applications around. We are going to start with Google Docs, and there's a couple ways we are going to show you how to actually set up a Google Doc. And this video is going to be pretty short. There's three main ways. One, you can go to your Gmail. This is assuming you already have a Gmail. If you go in the upper right hand corner, you find the 9 dots. You can click that and you can scroll down till you find where it says Docs, and you just click that open. Another website you can go is Google Drive, and this is drive.google.com, and this is part of your whole Google application you get when you subscribe to Google with a Gmail account. And again, just go to the 9 dots in the upper right hand corner, click it, and you can actually get to Google Docs that way, exactly the same way. And finally, you can go in your web browser, you can go ahead and type in docs.google.com, and it will take you to this website, and you'll get a page like this. You can start with a blank document, you can use templates that are already there, and you can search it. And then when you have created different types of documents, you will have records of them right down here. So we're going to go ahead and start just by clicking this blank document right here, the plus sign. Once you've done that, it looks pretty simple, right? And in fact, Google Docs is word processing software. It's simpler than Word, but the neat thing about this is it is cloud-based, meaning that if you have internet, you can pretty much get to a Google Doc anywhere. Plus, another huge selling point is it's free. You do not have to press save because it's cloud-based, and Google has made it as easy as humanly possible. So we're going to start really simply by titling it. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see this whole untitled document. You title it just by clicking the box and typing in some sort of title. Okay, you click off of it, and you'll know that it says Save to Drive. Okay, so that drive.google that we went to before, this document is now there, and it always will be there unless you delete it. One of the other really important things about sharing and using a Google Doc is the fact that other people can collaborate with you. And the second most important thing is that if you see over here in the right hand corner, when I first make a document, it is private only to me. I get to choose who gets to see this document, who can work with me. So say I want to share it with someone else. All I have to do is click the share button, and you'll have a couple options here. One, on the bottom section, it says restricted only to people that can open with this link. I'm going to go ahead and click this little link right below it, and I'm going to change it to anyone with this link can see this, at least see it. If you see over here it says viewer. Now if I click the little down arrow, I can have anybody can view it, anybody can comment, and anybody can edit it as an editor. I'm just going to keep it as view it. That's probably the safest thing. Now say if you go to this upper box up here and say you want to have someone else be able to edit it. Specifically, all you have to do is put in their email. Generally Google works best with Google. Put a little message and then press send. And that person will get an email that they can collaborate with you. All right, that's the simple truth, how to get a Google Doc and how to share it.